Take the guesswork out of cooking with a temperature probe. The temperature probe monitors and alerts when the desired finished cooking temperature has been reached in your Frigidaire range. Here are some tips to get you started. Use the probe feature for best results when cooking foods such as roasts, hams, or poultry. The food probe works with the following oven modes: bake, convection bake, air fry, convection roast, and steam roast. To use the temperature probe, insert the probe so that the probe tip rests inside the center of the thickest part of meat or food. For best results, do not allow the probe temperature sensor to contact bone, fat, gristle, or the cookware. Note: the probe location may vary by your model. See Use and Care Manual for exact location. To set food probe, touch oven modes, scroll to food probe, and follow directions on the display. Now, let's go over some general tips for the probe. During cooking, the internal food temperature will display in the center of the screen. The oven temperature will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. To ensure accuracy, do not remove the probe from the food or receptacle until the desired internal temperature is reached. The Use and Care Manual is a great reference for USDA internal temperature recommendations. Never store the probe inside the oven and always remove after use. Now, you're ready to start creating yummy meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.